That's what we doing today.
So today we're at Swardini for the day. We're gonna enjoy the river and the waterfall, and you guys are gonna come along with us.
Yes, sir.
And
Yes,
check out the
seriously.
view.
Yes,
This is actually the end of the day.
Yeah.
And we decided to film the intro afterwards.
It's crazy.
We actually had an abandoned place we found.
Thanks. Give them a scope of
So
how
we
it
forgot
looks.
to do the intro, so this is the intro right now.
This is the intro.
Okay, this is the intro. Just check the view. Hey, damn, it's so bright, bro. It's so bright.
Like, comment, and
Appreciate
subscribe.
you guys for watching.
And thank you for
if you guys
being
enjoyed the video, make sure to drop a like, comment, share the video, and subscribe.
You know what I'm saying? Chat, I'm with TJ out here, chat. About to scale the fence, chat. You know what I'm saying? So we'll call those oaks. You know what I'm saying? Let me go call them up, you know. Hey! Oh! Hey! Crazy. Who's this bro out here? Why is he coming? This bro's are always late, bro.
What's good? What's good?
This bro's are, I'm gonna beat this nigga up for real, chat.
My nigga, you just
Chat.
jumped there, you know.
Chat. I jumped the fence, chat.
How you talking to the chat if it's not a live stream?
Nah, it's for the vlog, my boy. You know what I'm
Yes,
saying?
sir.
Yes, seriously.
You already
There's
know.
cheapies out here. Let's see the Fed, my boy. Aight.
light,
Some light. Step outside, boy. Let's see you
I
now.
can't decide which jacket to wear though. Either the poker, you know.
It's
Let's
fresh,
jackets.
fresh. I'm not gonna lie.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Or should I rock the black one? I don't know.
It's like the black one, though. I'm not gonna hold you. It matches with the fit.
the black
I'm
one
not
is
gonna lie,
proper, yeah.
Yeah.
Young vlog.
Yeah, it's a young vlog, nyana. You know what I'm saying? As if we really talk like this in our everyday lives. Yeah. We don't. Hey, Baba. We don't.
Just for the camera.
It's just for the vlog, yeah.
This one.
How's this one, chat?
I like this one better. Low key.
Yeah. Yeah, low key is dope. I'm not gonna lie. It matches, like, it blends well.
Right.
But I feel like the black one, it just highlights you on more. You know, it gives that, you know, dark Air Force vibes.
Facts.
Where's the other brew? Like?
Go on, my bro. Alright, chat. We'll see y'all.
Chat.
We'll see y'all on the road.
So, literally from 12 o'clock, 45. Unyaka, Badira's point. Okay, I don't know sharp. Good, madam. Nora level, and Namalum, Rotary, Tarana Velavial. Thank you, Namalome. Honest straight. Sharp, Malome.
Angangili.
500 per person in drive.
Hey, bruh. I mean, that's like one.
45.
That's gonna be 180 something, 70 something.
That's a lot of money, though. There's no 9Ps today. There's no.
170.
Ain't no 9Ps.
This world is scam. You go pay to see a natural thing.
No, the one who bought the land, boy, is making money. TJR, nah, it's free. I know where we're going, gents. I know where we're going. They're like, I know where we're going. Bro doesn't know.
Bro, bring this bread up. Ish.
I thought you knew what you were doing.
Hey, daddy.
I mean,
Went from 75.
Molly Spana.
Or not anytime.
Yeah.
No stress, Malum.
Okay. Hey, what are you, man? Chicken.
I just
Nice, dog.
Oh, there's game rangers inside.
But even Swardini, they don't pay 20.
For real?
No, you actually.
They do. Nowadays you do, bro.
No, you actually, yeah, you do pay. Mara, I could obviously book a room like that, so.
Because you didn't bring any hands.
No, man, someone's mom.
She's still cute. What do you mean? One mommy's, bro. What do you mean? Yo, he's not waving at you, guys.
Hey, Malo.
Pankare.
Go get a ticket.
Uncle, not else.
What did I do?
45. 45 rand, just to not go.
Just to not go sing. Malo, I gotta come over to this game.
Take your own risk. Don't swim.
Yeah.
Clean as crocodiles.
Many people are swimming.
Hey, oh, hey.
Okay,
Yeah.
So, wait, Uncle, have you been inside?
This side, we were going on boom gate.
Yeah, hey,
Well, now it's a risk. I will boom gate.
Kaganal de la Paz.
This gate.
So I'm gonna will a boom gate yellow. No. Sharp, Malome.
Yo, what up, guys? We out here. We out in the woods, you know what I'm saying? Gonna go see the waterfall. It's crazy, you know? It's crazy. I should have done my own mini vlog type thing, you know, because we out here. Yeah. The landscape is pretty crazy, as you can see. As you can see, it's pretty crazy, but yeah. I think we're gonna make it.
Oh. What's a fall, man?
We need the weight, but we need the. Alright, so we're gonna start the hike now. It's
I'm saying.
starting time. But yeah.
I won't lie to you, man. I'm looking kind of panicking, bruh. Yeah, I'm scared, dog. I'm not gonna lie to you. Because I've heard things about this, bro. What if you find a snake? What if you find my eggs slithering around? Take! It's not your house here.
Why is
Why is Liseri jumping out of my boots?
nigga stole your
Hey!
boots?
That jump meant the world to him, bro. You saw it. Huh? Sure, hey, whoa, outfit check.
He changed his boots, this boy.
What you got on, bro? Tell us.
You got them?
Hey, what's up, Baba?
Scooter, baba.
Scooter, Baba.
Duncan is focused.
Duncan is on a mission, but doesn't even care about the content. But this is beautiful, though, bro. Nah.
Low hike. I don't know about 45 rand though, but
Yeah, hey. But again, we can do it again in December. Wait, we're in December. Hold on.
the sun.
Hey, any mommies out there, man? Hit the boy up. I'm 6'5". Yeah, but I've been telling this lie. I'll end up believing it, eh?
Yeah, but yeah.
Just see TJ in an interview saying I'm 6'5".
Standing on my man, I'm 6'4".
So, right now we're on the hike.
Yeah.
They say we're allowed to swim. We're not sure. We'll see.
No, it's a 50-50 because one uncle says listen, bro, 50-50. The other one says listen, if you die that side, it's not our problem. But you paid me 45 rand. You're supposed to go check.
That's the thing, bro. We can't be paying that type of money and not swim.
Nigga,
bro.
what's
That's
that?
I know that's worth it. But I'm wearing slippers, bro, on the hike.
That's crazy.
I think I might just have to put on the Air Jordans.
When you got aura like Pule, you just gotta do that, bro. Wait, do you think there's lights in the night? Because
It is.
He's talking about the next one.
Hit the boy up, I'm 6'5".
Ew, bro. That's crazy.
Scary, bro.
I'm not thinking like diving. I wonder how deep it is.
I don't think it's that deep. You should go find a place to change.
Yeah. No bad things, bro.
It doesn't matter. It's crazy, though. Landscape, though. Don't really forget.
We made it to the waterfalls.
From here.
Yeah, it's yours.
It's mine. Hey, make sure it's got it. Hey,
Made it to the waterfalls. Yo, Liseri, say something. Say something. Say something. Where is it?
There's a sketchy there, the water.
Thank you.
Yeah, some time.
This waterfall is low-key a scam. Bro, let's go jump out from there, bro.
From up there.
Yeah.
Hey, but remember, look at this, bro.
I could have saw them doing it or doing it also.
You can do it. It's cool.
Go in, bro. I want to record you going in.
Or do you want me to swim? Hey, but I know swimming don't go together, bro.
We should have brought the speaker, bro. It's kind of quiet.
No, it's kind of quiet. You guys
Go
don't
in.
want me to drive? You want me to limp back?
Let's just taking chances, dude.
Come, let me take your video and go in, bro. Bro, almost dusted there at the corner there. It's cold, man. You want me to go deep there? You imagine you fall there.
where those niggas are.
But where those bruellas are is just dodgy there, bro.
But didn't that nigga say don't swim there where it's dark? There where the security.
That's what he said. But one of y'all won't come back. I don't want to be one of those people, bro. Huh? I am recording. I was. Who was recording?
Who you recording?
That nigga. Imagine like it's chai then.
She came on and was hot.
Nah, like yesterday, bro.
So
they say.
it's not cold at all.
Yeah, it's no longer cold anymore.
Hey.
Yeah, it's a bit cold. Cheers, but I go all the way deep. What was that? Man, what? Hey, me and water don't mix, bro. Yeah. Man, there's fish in here, dog. But there's fish in here, bro. Man, it's nibbling on my feet, bro. What the heck? Yeah. Cosmo! Yes, sir! Oh, shit. Oh, wait, jump, boy, jump.
Oh, damn! That was crazy!
I'm tripping, bro. Cosmo, how was that, bro?
That nigga didn't jump, bro. He just dropped down. He said, pause it. That's your waiting for it.
Yeah. Oh! Hey, he's not coming back up.
Yo, bro, it's so deep. What the heck?
3, 2, 1, go! Go help him, bro.
Eyes gone.
Let's go!
2, 1.
Yes, sir! Yes, sir!
I'm scared of shit.
Because we're scared of shit.
Why are you scared, bro? Huh? You look terrified of that.
My name's Jeff.
You didn't even go there. Yeah, right there.
Let's go out!
Bro, you know what
Bro, what's wrong with you, bro?
That's what it came. It's what it feels like.
I don't want to know.
Yo, TJ forfeit. TJ forfeit. You need to cut your hair next time, bro. You're going bald.
Next video, I'm going bald.
Let's try again. Last
Once you
round.
make that tackle,
Yeah, it feels like that. Hey, bro, it's scary. My ears like you're risking your life.
Bro, why is it so cold?
yeah, it is cool, bro.
Yes, sir.
Ah, that's the first one.
This is crazy, guys. We just found this abandoned place. I don't know where we at, but it's kind of crazy. I'm not gonna lie. I'm out of breath. Eh? Yeah.
Yo guys, we found an abandoned lake.
And now Kuzmo is gonna walk the bridge.
The bridge of death.
Walk the bridge of 5K lights.
Well, this thing is actually abandoned, dog.
Clouds, carve the view, yeah. Come check out the view, Cosmo.
Now, this is beautiful.
Wait, I wanna be like Mega. I'm a Mega.
Check a little Korean.
Tomorrow recording. Wacht, James.
Imagine standing up there. Get the fuck out of the frame.
Get out. Like, go tomorrow, then what? Check the landscape.
How did you drink up first?
You.
You're not him. No, I just say it now. Ish.
Bro, this is crazy.
But this is the closest. Even when we were in Swahili, bro, we could never get this close to it.
But the camera's not doing it justice. Though.
Imagine if there was a zipline thingy, bruh.
Yeah, you'd fucking die, bro. What the
Yeah.
fuck?
No, you wouldn't.
But you'd push there
Where
somewhere.
was it? It was the same as this, dog. I'm telling you.
What do you think? What's out?
I won't lie to you, nah. As soon as they say zip lines are involved, nah.
Wait, who's that?
Where?
Yeah, bruh.
What the fuck?
Yeah! What up? PTL! PTL! Let's shout it.
Where's the balls?
Yeah, let's walk the bridge.
PTL!
Wait, what is this? Is you. Hey, guys. That you can take a video there, boy. Take a video so we can do the.
You like we still finding other ways. Damn. This is Brew here. What are you saying, Brew? Where are you going this side?
Bro, we don't know. We just going.
It's kind of sketchy, don't you think?
You up, Penny.
Crazy, guys. I mean, we just out here exploring the place. No one's really here. It seems abandoned, but we're just going.
Boys. Bro, you didn't drop your phone. Relax.
Hey, TJ. This is Bruce Crown. What you gotta say for the camera, bro?
What I gotta say?
Yeah.
Man, in life, man.
Alright. Word of the day.
You gotta keep it a buck for yourself, right?
Yeah.
Kind of out of breath right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, because we're hiking.
Yeah.
But in life, you gotta work hard, man. As a man, especially. You gotta understand that
Tell him, boy.
everything in life doesn't come for free.
It doesn't, though.
You know, it comes with a cost.
For real.
So work hard. You give, you get more.
You give, you get more. Word of the day, guys. You give, you get more. Plus, it's in the Bible.
Cosmo, come here, check it out. I'm scared. Because I won't lie. I don't think we're going home like this, but
We're gonna go home.
no, I don't think this way is to go home.
We'll go back, boy.
Don't worry about it.
Dankura, how come you're scared, dog? What's happening?
No, Duncan just wants to go home, bro.
We understand. He has to go see my porisa. That's
He wants to go drive in Maporisa.
He doesn't. He doesn't. What did you say, bro?
He wants to shake Nyash.
Ew.
When we're driving home, I'm driving slow, fam.
Why? Because of petrol.
Yeah. Don't have another 250.
South Africa is a beautiful
Why
place.
did you say this bag? Seri,
It's mine, dog.
don't throw a bag, I'm fine.
That's my bag.
Oh. Throw a bag.
My broski.
I'm 6'5".
Yeah.
Could have been preaching the 6'5".
Dog. Why is Pule running? Where's that brew running? Where's that brew running?
Guys, why is it like one going higher and higher?
That's crazy.
It goes lower. Wait, when was the last one?
I don't even know.
Duncan! Let's get here, man.
Hey, bro, this thing travel. How much do you think they pay for this?
Yeah, this is expensive now.
Whoa, what's that? It's a river. Oh, shoot. Yo,
Wait, I think we're lost.
I think we're lost. It's not the way. It's not. It's not the way, gents.
Oh shit, we're lost.
Bro, this is not the way.
Yeah, go down. We're walking downwards.
What if we get lost, actually, gents? Yeah? Are you sure?
Well, I'm not gonna fast.
Yeah, open it.
Take care, boy. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We just come from the plane. From waiting up to.
Yeah, we look lost. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie.
We legit lost, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I feel like we're doing crazier things than ghosts, bro. Hardcore, guys.
Yeah, why didn't you come through this way?
Well, aren't you gonna enter there from the bridge again?
We probably might. The road. What if this is the skip way?
Yeah, this is the skip way to
This
go.
way, yeah?
Yeah, the cruise way. Wait, wait.
You don't have to enter the bridge again.
Yeah, we're gonna have to.
No, this is not the bridge, bro.
No, we're not gonna enter the bridge.
James, I think we're going to the wrong way. I'm not gonna hold
That
you.
one might be out, guys. Why did I
You said
say
you must go up the stairs.
Who said that?
As you, because look at that wall there.
Hey, that's some scary shit to
Almost scared me. TJ, what's wrong with you, dog?
From white people. I look, you didn't see that, bro. Like,
Where are we going?
hey, bro.
Chappies.
Going with the flow. You're like, never eaten, so. You're following Duncan.
If not, that means we have to turn back, James.
Duncan was wrong.
Crazy, bro. We're gonna have to turn back.
Imagine you are busy walking there and you hear and you see a spear coming down the road.